Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to create these 3 hairstyles using a hair comb. I will link below the one that I'm using if you want to try it out for yourself, as well as some other options. So let's get started. To begin the first style, you want to tie your hair into a low ponytail. Then lift the ponytail up and slide the comb upwards, making sure that the curved part is facing away from your head. Once the comb has gathered a little bit of hair, you then want to twist it back on itself so that the curved part is now laying flat against your head. You can then release the rest of the hair down. Next, I'm just brushing the hair over the top of the comb so that there's no gaps. Then to create the bun, you want to gather the ends underneath and tie this with an elastic. You then want to twist the ends up and underneath the bun and bobby pin them in place. This is the first look done. I love how easy this one is to create, and it just makes the bun look so much fuller. The next style is a French twist. So you want to gather your hair back as if you're tying a ponytail. Then grab the ends and wrap these around your 2 first fingers to create a loop. Then twist the loop upwards. You want to keep hold of the top of that twist the whole time, so it keeps the hairstyle tighter and you can tuck the ends underneath the twist. Next, take your comb and you want to place this at the top of the twist so it goes through all the layers, making sure that the curved part is facing outwards. Then twist the comb back in on itself. This will help to keep the tension. This is the second look done, an elegant French twist. The last style is a high bun and it's super easy to create. You just want to gather your hair back and twist it on one side. Then twist the hair upwards. Then pull the hair on one side up and around the twist. Next, grab your comb facing outwards. You want to take your comb and slide this into a tiny bit of the twist. Then turn the comb back on itself and push it into the twist. If you find this is too tight, you might want to loosen the twist before you apply your comb. Lastly, to create the bun, you just want to tease the top section, then twist this section clockwise around itself. You can pull on the side of this section to make the bun fuller, and once you're happy with the shape, you can bobby pin everything in place. This is the final look done. I absolutely love how the comb and the twist adds a little bit more detail to the high bun. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!